This is Jasmine and the snake. She really wants to hold the snake by herself.
Do you got him? You got him?
I keep having heart attacks, but they're doing good. Just chilling
Say
with
hi
the
to Mama.
snake. Wave at Mama's. Jasmine. Patting the snake.
Are you so nice to Snake? Is that Tinkerbell? Do you want to feed him later? Yeah?
We'll save that for another day. Oh, are you grabbing your snake? Yeah.
Thank you.
Daddy's got his snake and Jasmine's got her snake and she just wants that snake on her. Just goes and grabs him from you.
Oh, don't squeeze
Careful.
him. Don't squeeze him.
Snake, yeah.
Yeah.
He was around her neck earlier and she loved it.
Was that ticklish?
Is he tickling you? Is he tickling you? Oh, don't touch his head.
She's fine.
Okay, Mama's gonna turn the camera off, okay?
Do you want to put him on your neck again?
Oh, you wanna put him on your neck?
There, we'll show that. Yeah.
Careful.
Say hi. Hi.
Okay, just be gentle.